Hi Bess, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So right now, ang gagawin naman natin is to check out his brushes, James Charles brush set. It comes in this, so it's so fancy, look. And it comes with a sponge, Morphe sponge, and a lot of brush sets. I can see that there's like three of the same kind or one of the same kind in a pack. So I think that's how he set this up. So there's that. There's one, and it says this is a M527. It's a powder brush. There's this one. This is M441, a blending crease brush. There's three of them in there. There's M166, and there's two of them in there. I believe this is just one, just because it's only one in here. And this is the M158, a spoolie, and this is M173, a chubby buffer brush. So there's only one of it. There's two of these, M224, an oval camouflage brush, M506, a tapered mini blender brush, E62 angled nose contouring brush. Ooh, I want to use this for sure. 431, a precision pencil crease brush. So there's two of them. A detailed liner brush. There's two of them as well. M433, firm blending fluff brush. There's three of them. There's one M439 deluxe buffer brush. M405, a contour blush brush. It's kind of small. M152, a medium chisel fluff brush. You know, these small ones like this is actually pretty good if you're doing like an art or like a very detailed eye color. So it's I guess it has sense. It makes sense that he puts like three of something and two of something and one of something. I think because the ones that has like three are like the most that you can use if you are, you know, doing makeup. Because a lot of times, like a lot of times you actually have to use a blending brush, like different blending brush, especially if you're doing like a rainbow type of color of eyeshadows, or a very colorful one where you have to use different colors. So you have to use different brushes too, so it's not gonna look like it's messy. So a flat concealer brush, M410. There's two of firm shadow brush, M124. It's small. I like it. This will be really good if you put like a concealer like right there. This is an angled contour brush, E4. This is a mini pointed powder brush, E48. This is really good, like under eye brush. A pro pointed blender brush, and a 3 of blending brush, M456. See, I noticed all those three ones are actually all blending brush. Alright, so we're gonna take that out to see. I already know they're soft because I got some of these from my subscription. So Morphe has a subscription from Live Glam. So this one, it's super soft, super soft. So I don't really want to take them out from their brushes right now, from their plastic bags, because like I said, I do have some of them. I kind of want to make it like a like a design or something for the meantime. But I can tell you guys, this is super soft, and it's really good. It's not a high-end brush, but I can say that it's something that that can work as good as some high-end brushes. You just saw the collection of James Charles photo brush set collection. Tell me on the comment section, do you think it's worth it for you to buy that much of brushes? I tell you now, my opinion is you don't really need to have that much brush. If you are, you know, new to makeup, you don't need that much brush. I can, you know, pretty soon I'm actually thinking of making a video for the beginners, really, and that doesn't, you know, that doesn't have all the tools. You can probably, I know there was I think there was a video that I did that I only used 2 brushes for my eyes, and as you saw, there was a lot of brushes that you can actually use for your eyes. But if you're actually one of those people that work as a makeup artist, then definitely you need something like that, because you want an extra of, like, especially the blending brush, you need like extra of those. This brush set, I think, is perfect too. It's good. It comes with the case. The case looks nice. It feels nice because it's actually it's like a leather, and it's a good brush holder. But for the price point, I think I'd rather do the subscription if you're patient enough to wait on what you're going to get the next month or next month or something like that, because I was patient enough. I've been on that subscription for like 5 months now, I think, but I got so many brushes. And the good thing about that subscription from Morphe is actually you can trade. You can stop it for that month if you think that all your brushes are the same from the last months. You can pause it, and you can trade just one brush if you want to, or you can trade your whole brush set to a different brushes. Anyway, I'm probably gonna be playing with those brushes more in the future, but for now I am so sorry I didn't take them out from their bags. But if you do want to see it like out of their bags, put down in the comments so I can make another video, just, you know, to show like each one of them, what they look like and how they feel. But like I said, telling you now, it's a very soft, and when it's firm, it's firm. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next episode, and please, if you like this, please hit the like button right there, and also please subscribe. Watch out for my next videos, because my next video will have a little information about my next giveaway. Bye. Boo boo.